Hi there modelers, Alan Udy for the Historical Aviation Film Unit here. During the month of November, we're having a prize draw giveaway to celebrate the recent launch of our new streaming video service, Historical Machines TV. And the thing that'll interest you modelers is the fact that what we're giving away as the main prize is something that's becoming an increasingly rare commodity, a 1/32 scale Wingnut Wings Kit. And the good thing is, not only do you have the chance of winning a kit, but you will actually be able to choose which one. So we have the Junkers D1, the Albatros D.Va, Sopwith Dolphin, or the Sopwith Pup, which I don't have a copy of here at the moment. But not only are we giving away kits, we're also giving away as a second prize draw one of our T-shirts. It'll be a one-off customized. You'll be able to choose what you want on it, whether it's one of our cartoon images or one of our photographs. And our third prize draw will be an annual or a 12-month subscription to Historical Machines TV. But wait, there's more. Every Monday from now until the end of November, we're having a weekly draw where we're also going to give away a 3-month subscription to Historical Machines TV. So you've got to be in to win. Follow the details in the description below. Go to our website so you can see what you need to do to sign up. That's pretty easy, nothing major. And see if you can win yourself one of these awesome kits, which if any of you have ever built one before will know there's nothing quite like a Wingnut Wings kit. So dive in, sign up, come in for the draw and have some fun with us in November.
Visit us at aviationfilm.com/xmas21 and sign up for the prize draw. Entries are only open until the end of November, so do it now.